So I really want to hammer home the point that it's not about a 1 hour spinning class 3 times a week. If you can do that, go for your life. But if you can't, don't let that put you off.
What they did in this study in Japan was something really, really simple. They randomized people, so again, gold standard evidence, to sit still in a functional magnetic resonance imaging scanner, or to sit down in a functional magnetic resonance imaging scanner and cycle very, very lightly on the spot. And they looked at people's brains live, which an fMRI enables you to do. And what they showed in this randomized controlled trial is just 10 minutes of light, very, very, very light activity, the equivalent to just gentle walking, could result in meaningful changes in electrical activity happening within the hippocampus and also other emotional processing areas of the brain. So just 10 minutes today of light activity can get meaningful changes in the emotional processing areas of your brain.
And the volume of the hippocampus as well, I think, on one study I saw.
Yeah, so we've also done studies as well where we've looked at changes in the volume, and obviously that's really exciting because neuroplasticity, or changing the structure of the brain, is really important and changed in many mental health care conditions. And we've shown that with aerobic exercise over a 12-week period, you can get changes in the volume of the hippocampus. I mean, this is 12 weeks.
This is mind-blowing information, because ultimately what we're saying is that moving regularly can change the size of a very important part of your brain. You know, the memory center in many ways, the hippocampus, you can change in size by regularly being active.